Hi, hello, my name is Gustavo Aguilar. I am electronic engineer at UNAT. Answering the question you could have only any job in the world, what would it be? I will choose engineering jobs since indirect to what I am a student and my experience. I think the most important job ever had was to work in a cement plant as engineering junior. Through, throughout my work experience, I my love influencing people in the hub. On the other hand, I have colored many beautiful places and cultures. I have also acquired a lot of experience. I might maintain work, acquiring more knowledge for the resolution of problematic situation. For this reason, the last job has become the most important since I have grown up the work and personal part. Thank you very much for listening to me for experience. Thank you very much for listening to me your experience. Success.